So why is crypto falling? We talked about selling from Mt. Gox and Silk Road, but remember it all goes back to this chart, global liquidity in blue, and then in orange we have the price of Bitcoin, right? So this was the pandemic. They did an emergency infusion of liquidity, brought rates to zero, and because of that, the blue line global liquidity spiked and the price of Bitcoin spiked from 3K to 69K, right? Look at where it's been for the past 3 or so years. It's been flat. Yes, we had massive bullish fundamentals from the ETFs launching. That helped Bitcoin, but the entire crypto market has not really been able to go anywhere because of this line. People are getting shaken out because global liquidity has not spiked at all, right? And therefore prices have not spiked at all. Now, what drives global liquidity? Obviously, the Federal Reserve usually needs an emergency situation like they had back here in the pandemic. And so we're not getting that. Jobless claims dropped to lowest level in 5 weeks. So people are keeping their jobs. It was estimated that there would be 235,000 jobless claims, but they actually fell to 227,000, right? So what does that mean for markets? It means the economy is strong. There's no need to lower interest rates. There's no emergency yet, right? So that's why we always get a market crash every single time to spur the Fed to get that emergency rate cut. Now, we most likely will get that market crash. What's that going to do? That's going to cause the emergency rate cut to come around, and that's going to cause all this negative price action to reverse exactly like it did in 2020. So in the meantime, we can stay on top of the massively bullish fundamentals of this space. Like Fidelity, head of digital asset management, says stable coins, tokenized treasuries, and on-chain credit are areas they are exploring. Fidelity is one of the largest asset managers in the planet, multi-trillion-dollar asset manager, and they're talking about bringing on-chain, most likely onto a layer 2 on top of Ethereum. They're talking bringing trillions of dollars of value on chain on top of Ethereum. It really doesn't get bigger than this.